Turning over a new leaf, a fresh start in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might have heard, turning over a new leaf. Have you ever wondered what it means and how you can use it in your conversations? Well, you're in the right place. Let's unfold the mystery together. Turning over a new leaf is a metaphorical expression used to describe the act of making a new start or beginning anew in life. It signifies a decision to change one's behavior for the better and to leave behind any negative habits or attitudes. Picture a page in a book representing a part of someone's life. When they decide to turn over a new leaf, it's like they are starting on a blank page, ready to write a new chapter with a positive outlook. The phrase, turning over a new leaf, originally comes from the idea of turning a page in a book to start on a fresh page. This imagery has been used for centuries to symbolize a fresh start or a new chapter in life. It reflects the hope and renewal that come with deciding to make positive changes in one's behavior or circumstances. You can use this expression in various contexts, from personal development to professional growth. For instance, after reflecting on his unhealthy lifestyle, John decided it was time to turn over a new leaf and start exercising regularly. Mary realized her work ethic was not where it needed to be, so she turned over a new leaf and began arriving early and staying late to improve her performance. It's a versatile phrase that conveys a strong message of change and hope. Let's put our knowledge into practice with a few exercises. Try to create your own sentences using turning over a new leaf. Think about areas in life where this phrase could apply. It could be about starting a new habit, changing your attitude towards something, or making a significant lifestyle change. Share your sentences with a friend or in the comments below. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the meaning and usage of the phrase, turning over a new leaf. We hope this video has inspired you to think about the areas in your life where you might want to make a fresh start. Remember, it's never too late to turn over a new leaf and embark on a path toward improvement. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.